Hey everyone, this is Ahmad, and welcome to Codebooks Academy. Today we're diving into something every developer should master, the solid principles of object-oriented programming. These 5 core guidelines are designed to help you write cleaner, more maintainable, and flexible code. First, the single responsibility principle. A class should only have one reason to change. That means keeping your classes focused on just one job. Second, the open-close principle. Your code should be open to extension but closed to modification. In other words, you can add new features without changing existing code. Third, the Liskov substitution principle. Subclasses should be able to replace their parent classes without breaking anything. It's all about maintaining behavior across your hierarchy. Fourth, the interface segregation principle. Don't force your classes to depend on methods they don't use. Create smaller, more specific interfaces instead of one massive one. And last but not least, the dependency inversion principle. High-level modules shouldn't depend directly on low-level ones. Both should rely on abstractions to keep things loosely coupled and easy to maintain. Mastering Solid isn't just about writing good code. It's about building systems that scale, evolve, and stay strong over time. Thank you for watching, and keep coding smart.